Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian gastronomy, Peruvian anticucho recipe, a delight to the palate. Today we are going to prepare the recipe for the heart of Peruvian gastronomy, the anticucho, a dish based on beef heart cooked in pieces on the grill, has become one of the most sought after. Its special aroma and delicious flavor make it an icon of the popular culture of Peru. The word anticucho comes from Quechua. There are two versions about its origin. One says that it comes from Andes, cucho, cut, equals cut of the Andes. The other says that it comes from Anticucho, where uco is a chili sauce. The Spanish brought African slaves to Peru and they were the ones who adapted the dish that was initially prepared with cuts of beef, replacing the meat with beef heart, which was part of the food spoils that the Spaniards did not dare to eat and throw them in the trash. These are seasoned pieces of viscera or meat, skewered on cane sticks and roasted on a grill with charcoal embers. The most common anticuchos today are those made of beef heart, marinated with cumin, chili, garlic, salt, vinegar or other condiments, and accompanied with corn, boiled potatoes, and chili creams. Ingredients: Peruvian anticuchos. 1 beef heart, chopped into approximately 3 cm pieces. 2 tablespoons minced garlic. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon pepper. 2 teaspoons fine salt. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon oregano. 3/4 cup vinegar. 1/4 cup ground chili. 2 sliced potatoes. Skewer sticks. Step-by-step preparation. 1 marinated. In a bowl we place the garlic, oil, pepper, salt, cumin, oregano, vinegar and ground chili. We mix everything with the help of a hand mixer. We add the beef heart to the mixture. We marinate for 2 hours. 2 cooking. We thread the marinated beef heart pieces onto the sticks. We turn on the grill and let it burn. We put the skewers on the grill. And we spread the anticuchos with the marinade, with the help of some corn husks. Cooking depends on the level of the embers, they should be no less than 5 minutes on each side. We put the potatoes on the grill until they turn golden. 3. Presentation. We serve on a flat plate, the anticuchos next to the potatoes. Recommendations. To prevent the skewers from burning on the embers, we must leave them in water for at least 4 hours beforehand. The beef heart obtains better flavor if it is marinated for longer, so I recommend that we marinate about 10 hours beforehand and let the heart pieces soak for that time, and it could even be longer. It is important to spread the heart pieces while they are on the fire. For this, a brush made by hand with the leaf of the cob is usually used. Ready. A delight to the palate. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.